Hi all, today we are making Maharashtrian style deconstructed momos. This is also called as the Puneri Bengan and this is particularly Maharashtrian dish. Let's start with the recipe. Need 1 cup of soaked chana dal. I have soaked this chana dal for 2 hours and then we will grind it by adding some green chilies in it. We will make a paste like this and you can soak the chana dal for 2.5 hours. Now we'll add haldi in it, then some dhania powder. We are adding basically our own Maharashtrian masala. Then this is red chili and then some salt as per your taste. Now we'll add some mango pickle over here. We'll give some sourness to our dish. Now we'll mix all the ingredients together. Just mix it well so that all the masalas get combined together. And after we have mixed it, we'll add chopped coriander in it. It gives nice taste and freshness to our dish. लिए जैसे आटा गूंदते हैं वैसे मैंने आटा गूंद के रखा था before 15 to 20 minutes and then we will just knead it by applying some oil so that it get knead well. And now what we'll do, we'll make some small lemon size ball from it. Just make some 5 to 6 balls for this 1 katori soaked chana dal. Now we'll take one ball and just roll it और इन्हें इसमें हमें जो हमने मिक्सचर बनाया था वो स्टफ़ करना है. So now we'll take that mixture and we'll just add 1 or 2 teaspoon of that mixture and we'll place on rolled chapati. And you can see this is like momo like structure. So I have given the name deconstructed momos. So like this we will make all our Indian style momos. So here I have made all these stuffed momos and we'll just steam it now. I have taken a idli batter for it, just grease it and place all the momos like roti in it and we will just steam it. So before that, remember to preheat your steamer so that the steaming will done well and within a less time you can achieve your final result. I have placed the plate in steamer and just cover it. 15 minutes of steaming. These are perfectly steamed. So now you can take it and allow it to cool. After that we will cut them into a small pieces. Cut all these steamed momos into pieces. अभी हम तड़का लगाएंगे. For that we will need a pan and we will add 2 to 3 teaspoon of oil in it. जब भी oil अच्छे से heat हो जाएगा we will add mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Then we'll add some hing in it. Then green chilies and curry leaves. So after that we'll add a sesame seed, मतलब तिल ज़्यादा add करिए so it gives a nice flavor in it. So after that we'll add haldi and we'll add our cut stuffed momos. Then we'll add some red chili powder, some dhania powder and some salt. Also I am adding here some sugar. It is completely optional. Now just stir it well and let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Once it is done, you can see it is well steamed and well cooked. So you can garnish it with some coriander, chopped coriander, and it is ready. This goes well with curry. Dish I want to dedicate